In this video, I'll show you how to remove the factory safety latch from your Milwaukee PACKOUT. Today we're using model 48-22-8422, but all the personalized PACKOUT latches we sell are installed the same way. Start by taking the included wedges and inserting them between the latch and the PACKOUT box. Push the wedges in just far enough to create a small gap. Once you have enough clearance, apply a little pressure and gently wiggle the latch until it slides off. Next, we'll disassemble the latch. Begin by removing the metal retaining clip, just as shown in the video. Now it's time to remove the hinge pin. You can use a punch, but I'm using an inexpensive Phillips screwdriver and a wrench. Lightly tap on the punch to start pushing the hinge pin out. Once the pin is sticking out enough, grab it with a pair of pliers and pull it the rest of the way out. With the factory latch disassembled, you're ready to install your personalized latch. Simply reverse the process, insert the hinge pin, reinstall the metal retaining clip, and slide the completed latch back onto the PACKOUT until it's fully seated. And that's it! Your personalized latch is now installed and ready to use. If you have any questions, run into any issues, or have suggestions on how we can improve this process, please don't hesitate to reach out.